When you record some video, but there is a part of it that you don't want to show others. At this time, the best way is to blur this part. Here's a video blur tool that we can try and see what it does. Upload the video into the program after launching it. Click here to preview the original video. Then select Customer Blur. A rectangular box will appear in the video at this time. Drag the rectangular frame and zoom in until it covers all the objects to be blurred. Select the type of blur you want on the right, then click Add to Task. At this time, a blue horizontal bar will appear. Just right-click on the blue part to crop the blur video length. Click Export and it's time to preview the processing effect. You can see that the selected part of the video is blurred really well. This whole process will take some time. Please be patient. After the video blur processing is completed, it will be automatically saved to your corresponding folder. That's all for the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us.